everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia G. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys I'm going to be showing you guys an amazing dupe for the Chloe Betty boots. If you're new here, I do a lot of unboxings and hauls on my channel. Some of the things that I show are high end, some of the things I show are lower end, and I'm all about fashion. I share a mix of these things kind of because there are some things that I really like and they're just not in my budget, or I like them but I don't like them enough to invest in them. I've always personally had a mix of higher end and lower end things, so I'm just going to show you guys a mix of both whenever I can. I know right now the Chloe Betty boots are literally everywhere. I actually really did like them when I saw them last fall, but I didn't have a purpose for them as we were all inside. I wasn't going anywhere. And I really like them in the color pink, but I also couldn't decide if I wanted them in black, if I wanted them in the cream color. Since I was so uncertain about the color that I wanted, I was like, why would I spend almost $500 because the shoes retail for $4.95? Why would I spend $500 on the shoes? I don't even know if I like the color. But I did end up getting cream. The dupe that I found is from Public Desire. They also have a dupe from Ego. The shoes will be listed down below. It will be an affiliate link. So I will make a small commission of that money. If you guys do choose to buy those boots, you guys can use my link and it won't affect your price whatsoever. Yeah, the shoes are almost $4.95. I couldn't decide on a color. I love the pink. I couldn't find a pink dupe. I love the black, but I have a lot of black boots, and I love the cream, but also they have a heel on them, and I also don't really wear heels very often, so I decided to go for the Public Desire dupe, which was only $74. And now let's get into it. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to keep seeing content from me, subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into this first. I have shopped with Public Desire a million times. I have a lot of shoes from Public Desire. I'm going to admit I have had problems with shipping, and I have had problems with sizing because sometimes the sizing can be a little bit big. This package did come in less than a week, and I decided to order the shoes in a size 8 rather than a 7. I am between a 7 and an 8, so I decided to go with 8. Now let's get into it. And I went with the cream color. As you can see, they look very similar. They're rubbery. They feel really sturdy though, and they just don't have the Chloe logo right here. I feel like that's the only thing that makes it different. And here's the heel. These are meant to be rain boots, so you're meant to wear them like on a daily basis, maybe on your commute or whenever the weather's feeling crazy, but they're still super cute, especially for rain boots, and I like the color. I'm a little bit worried if they're going to fit or not, but ooh, yeah. They look so big. Like, look, I can fit my whole hand in here. But they don't have, there's nothing wrong with them. There's no scratches, there's no imperfections, there's no dirt on them. And here is the other one. So they also come with a zipper. I'm going to try them on real quick before I do my normal try on process. I don't have on any socks. Okay, they're not big at all. They are not too big at all. Look at them. Okay, they actually are too big. So this is like where the space comes in. But sometimes I've ordered an 8 and they felt like they fit exactly. So this is what I mean. I feel like if I wore these with like some really thick socks, it would be okay. Returns are a hassle, which I mentioned before is also the case with Ego, but I don't know, we'll see. I might end up returning these. If I do, I'll update you guys down below in the comments and just pin it. But they are really cute, and I have a lot of things that would actually go with this because cream has been a color that I've like gravitated to a lot recently. So I'm going to try them on and you guys will see that. All right, so here are the boots. They have like Okay, the space isn't terrible. Honestly, because they're heels, I could see them being a bit more comfortable to walk in over time since they're not super tight and like compressing on my foot. Something in here is scratching me. But these are really cute, honestly. I think I'm going to keep them. They're not uncomfortable in any way. They're really easy to stand in. Alright, so I'm kind of going back and forth on whether they fit or not, because standing up, like, my feet feel them. I don't know. I feel like I'm in Payless walking around trying the shoes on for my mom or something. Anyway, but the shoes are really cute. This part right here is like a little bit of space, so the calf is not super tight. So if you have bigger calves, you can definitely get away with wearing these. Yeah, these are really cute, especially for if you want to wear pants like these, or if you want to wear a skirt. I kind of have a skirt picked out that I would want to wear this with, but I really do like it, and I like the color. I like the neutral, and I think it's really close to the original. I'll make sure I'll put in plenty of pictures of the original shoes. I do like these. So I guess I was wrong about the size. Like, this is what I mean. This is what I mean when I say that my shoe size, like, I don't really know. Like, it goes back and forth between the 7 and an 8. Sometimes the 7's too big. Sometimes the 8's too small. Sometimes the 8 is too big. I never know. But I've never been bigger than an 8. I always feel like 8s either are... I never feel like an 8 is super comfortable. I never feel like an 8 is perfect. A lot of the time I do feel like they're too big or there's space. I feel like I need something between a 7.5 and an 8. But a lot of European shoes and a lot of adult sizes don't carry half sizes, and I would have felt more comfortable with a half size. If there was a half size, I would have gotten a half size, basically. But as you guys can see, when I do my shoe try-ons, it varies. A lot of time they don't have it, but luckily for me, like with brands that I love, I have found this perfect size for me in what they sell. But yeah, see, these are super comfortable. Did you see how easy it was for me to get back up? These shoes are great. These are definitely gonna be like a go-to for me. I'm gonna keep them. I'm definitely gonna keep these. And I'm like looking at my clothes. I have my clothes out over here. I'm gonna be pulling out the fits in these. Okay, so this is a close-up of the boots. You guys can see the material. They feel so good. They feel so nice. These are definitely rain boots as advertised. This is the heel. It's not too big. It's not too small. This is where the Chloe logo goes. Honestly, I love Chloe, and I would consider getting the real thing. And and this is the zipper. The zipper didn't give me any problems at all. Here's the bottom of the shoe, so walking in them you won't be slipping around because it does have ridges. These are rain boots, guys. These are rain boots, not just cute fashion boots. These are rain boots, and I feel they'll serve the purpose. I was a little bit nervous about the cream in regards to rain, but with this material, I know they'll be super cute. I mean, they'll be super easy to clean. Rain boots typically are easy to clean. So I think these are staying. I think these are giving Chloe. Everyone wants these this season, so I'm happy that I got them at an affordable price and I didn't pay $500 to look just like everybody else. So after trying the boots on, I do think I'm going to keep them. They're so cute. I'm really excited about these. I did like I loved them for a year, but I'm kind of happy they became a trend. So I was able to get them from Public Desire, and Public Desire was a great price. Like I mentioned before, everyone's doing their fall wish list on TikTok right now, and these are popping up everywhere. If you are into designer but you don't necessarily have designer money, definitely check out Ego and Public Desire, especially Public Desire. Public Desire I've been shopping with for longer than Ego. I don't know honestly how long Ego has been around, but they usually have the high-end dupes. And a lot of shoes that I have had from Public Desire, I didn't even know that they were dupes in the first place. Like, I just thought that they were boots that I liked, and then eventually I ended up finding where they originated from. But definitely check out Public Desire. Get these shoes. If you've been looking to get these shoes, get these shoes. Do what you want with the size. I think I'm comfortable with an 8. I don't really see these shoes stretching. I'm going to be wearing thick socks with these. And walking around in these all day, I can see them working out because they were very comfortable at the bottom. Rather than going and getting a fake, which may be poor quality, really look for a dupe first before trying to go after a lower quality replica or fake, or but I'm not knocking anybody. If that's what you want, then that's what you go after. But I know that these are good quality shoes that will last me for a long time. All of my shoes that I have from Public Desire from like the last 5 years, I still have, or I could still have. None of them have ever broken on me, fallen apart, anything. So I love that about Public Desire. But that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out my other hauls and unboxings on my channel. I have so many for you to choose from, and I will be doing more in the near future. And use my link down below if you are going to get these shoes. They have them in white and they have them in black, and I believe that they have them in like a khaki green. I will check and I will link them. But if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you will see so much more of me. That's it for now, and I'll see you guys next time.